Welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel training. On this training, I will show you how to make Ankara Purse. We'll be using paper fiber, marco, lining, Ankara fabric, and our gun. On this paper fiber, measure at any size of your choice. Me, I'm using 14.2 inches for the length. Then the width, I'm using 8.2 inches also. The same thing, you measure this mark but in excess of 1 inch each side. Look at what I'm saying here. You see it is in excess. On my paper fiber, I will draw a line like this. Like this. Do something with this side. Okay, then I will cut it out this way. Something here. So after cutting this way, do the same thing we did here to the paper fiber, just like this. Look at it. So look at what we have here. Look at it. So the next thing we'll have to do is to fold this to the shape of the purse we want to do, just like this. This is what we want to do. So I will cut out a paper fiber that will cover this side, and also cut out the marco that will cover this side, just like what I have done here. This is a marco. Then I'll use it to cover like this, and also use the paper. This is the paper fiber. I'll use it to cover like this. Also use the marco to cover like this. So the next thing we will do is to apply our gum here, then cover it with our lining this way and fold in. So after applying my gum, I allowed it to dry a little. Then I'll cover it with my lining this way. So cover it. Then I will trim it this way, leaving little space. So after trimming, this is what I have. Then I will apply my gum like this, and fold in this way. So we'll apply our gum this way, all round. So after applying my gum, I will notch it this way so that I can fold it. I can fold in very well. Then I'll start to fold in. So this is what you have after folding it. Look at it. So I'll remove this one, bring in this one. I will apply my gum like this, then use my lining to cover it the same way I did to this. Apply my gum. After applying the gum, we want to close it this way. So this is what we have. So after applying gum here and covering it with this lining, we turn it. This time we'll fold only this side. We'll apply our gum here, fold this way and fold this like this. So I'll apply my gum here. Then allow it to dry. So we'll apply our gum here this way on the edge here. Then allow it to dry. After allowing it to dry, we'll cover with this. So we'll use this to. So this is what you have after covering it. So we'll apply our gum like this. Gum this thing this way. So this is what you have after gumming this thing. So I'll use tape and also use tape to gum it this way, like this. Again here. So this is our box. This is the shape. So we formed the shape already. So what we'll do now is this: to bring in this, apply our gum, then cover it with our Ankara material. We'll also do the same thing with these two sides. So we'll also cover here with Ankara material. Then this one with Ankara material. I will apply my gum now and cover them. I've applied my gum, so I'll cover it with my Ankara material this way. So two of them are covered already with Ankara material. So I'll push it aside. And this one, I have applied my gum already, so I'll cover it with the Ankara fabric. So I've covered it with the Ankara fabric. So I will fold in. I will apply my gum this way, this way, this way, this way, and fold in. For these two, I want to apply my gum here and fold this way and fold this way. So right now, after doing this, folding this like this, we'll apply our gum here and apply here, then gum this way, like this, and the same thing we'll do to this other side. So I'm applying the gum here. I will cover this place with this marker. So after covering this side, do this same thing to this other side. So this is what we have after gumming the two sides. So what we will do now is to fold in this one this way and use it on the body. So I will apply my gum this way. I'll fold in now. Okay, this is what we have. So I will apply my gum here and here, then wrap this like this. So apply my gum here. So I'll cover this with this starting from here. So this is what I have here. So I'll apply my gum here like this, and gum the rest. I will gum it this way now. So after gumming it, this is what we have. So I'll put my pin here, my bag lock here and here, so I can lock this way. So I'll pierce here this way on this side, then put my bag lock. So the lock, one of the lock is here, so we'll use it to measure the next place that I want the other pair will be. So we'll see. So I will pierce the point where it will be. So I'll put the lock. So after putting it, I'll use my hammer to hit it so that it will stay strong. So this is what we have. I'll put it straight.